Welcome to Festive Flavors. Today we are cooking the delectable North Indian UP style fish curry. The secret to this curry is fenugreek seeds, which imparts a distinct bittersweet and earthy flavor. Another important component to this recipe is mustard oil. Always use mustard oil for this recipe. You will love to make this recipe again and again. Fishes, as you know, are very healthy as they have numerous health benefits and are light on the tummy. Please watch the video till the end to view the health benefits, tips and tricks and the ingredients list. Also, please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Please share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Do you want to be featured on Festive Flavors? Take a picture of a recipe prepared by you from our channel and tag us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming videos. Let's look at the ingredients. Rohu fish 1.5 kg, onions 1 cup sliced, tomatoes 1 cup chopped, garlic paste 2 teaspoons, ginger paste 1.5 teaspoons, green chili paste as per taste, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1.5 tablespoons, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, bay leaves 2, fenugreek seeds 1 teaspoon, kasuri methi 1 tablespoon, mustard oil 1/4 cup, salt as per taste, coriander leaves 1/4 cups, water 500 ml. Let's get started. Clean and wash the fish steaks. Drain all the water and keep it aside. Heat mustard oil in a pan. It's best to use mustard oil for making UP style fish curry. Add fenugreek seeds. Next, add bay leaves. Add sliced onions. Cook them till golden in color. This will take around 10 to 12 minutes. The onions look done now. Add garlic paste and ginger paste. Add a spoonful of water. Cook for a few minutes. Add turmeric powder, coriander powder and red chili powder. Add some water if the masala dries up quickly. Cook till the raw smell of garlic goes away. Cover and cook for 3 minutes. Add chopped tomatoes and stir. Add green chilies and salt and mix. Crush half of the kasuri methi leaves and add it in the masala. This gives a great flavor to the fish curry. Mix everything and cover and cook till the tomatoes become mushy. Mash the tomatoes with a spatula. Add the fish pieces to the masala as shown in the video. After 2 minutes, turn the fish pieces and mix with the masala. Keep turning and cooking till the fish pieces become whitish in color. Mix everything but do not turn a lot as the fish might break. Add water, cover and cook for 10 minutes by turning 1 or 2 times in between. Now, crush and add the leftover kasuri methi leaves. Add garam masala and green coriander leaves. Mix everything. Cook for another 5 minutes. The yummylicious and smacking fish curry is ready to serve with rice. Now let's look at the tips and tricks for making fish curry. Clean the fish very well. Cook the ginger garlic paste really well to remove the raw flavor of garlic. Add fenugreek seeds. This imparts a great flavor to this UP style fish curry. Turn the fish in the masala in the initial part of the cooking, but then turn carefully once the fish is half cooked so that it does not break. Fish cooks really quickly. Now let's look at the health benefits of fish. A 100-gram serving of catfish provides 32 to 39% of your daily protein needs in only 105 calories. Fishes, especially rohu and catfish, are high in protein but low in fat compared to other fishes. Catfish and rohu contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their role in brain health, help treat neurological and mental conditions including memory loss, ADHD and depression. Omega-3 fatty acids also improve skeletal muscle strength and gut health. A good source of vitamin B12, which prevent heart disease and prevention of anemia, and a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Let's look at the ingredients list. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please subscribe to Festive Flavors and click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Next time we will come with a new video Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.